Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to turn off Gmail email notifications on your mobile device so you can enjoy a little more peace and quiet during your day. Whether you're trying to reduce distractions, save battery life, or simply take a break from constant alerts, these steps will make it easy. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. This is where all your email settings are stored, so you can control exactly how and when Gmail alerts you. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon, but they just look like a little stack of lines. Tap on it to reveal Gmail's main menu. From there, scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of all the email accounts connected to your Gmail app. Select the specific account where you want to stop receiving notifications. If you only have one account, tap on it to move forward. Inside your account settings, look for the option labeled Email Notifications. This is where Gmail determines how it alerts you for new messages. Tap to access the options. You'll notice several choices here, but the one you're looking for is None. Selecting None tells Gmail to stop sending notifications for incoming emails entirely. This means no sound alerts, no vibration, and no pop-ups on your screen. Your emails will still arrive in your inbox, but you'll only see them when you open the app manually. Once you've chosen None, your change will take effect right away. You can close the settings and continue using your device knowing you won't be interrupted by email alerts anymore. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've turned off Gmail notifications and taken control of your digital environment. If you ever decide you want notifications back, simply follow these steps again and select a different option under Email Notifications.